All set now. And the race is on. Impulsive decision. Pass to begin. Rushing up from the outside. Mint City. Running by Daryl is Music King. Super Legera. Running by Daryl. Hoy Tamana. Rushing up. Embraceable Speed Almighty. Tennis player Amiz Melissa is running at the tail of the field. Mint City by Hapalan from the outside. Running by Daryl's Music King. And Edstel Min City followed by Music King. Hoy Tamana is racing in third by Sam Tulengs. Rushing up from the outside, tennis player Super Legera. Speed Almighty running by Daryl's Embraceable. Rounding the far turn, Min City from the outside, Music King down on the inside. And rushing up Super Legera, tennis player Hoy Tamana, Speed Almighty, Embraceable. As they race the last 400 and going to the final corner, Music King down on the inside, Super Legera from the outside, Min City dropping back into tennis player Speed Almighty, and nearing the last 250, Music King by the Super Legera from the outside, fighting it up for the lead. Super Legera, Music King down on the inside, but Super Legera takes the lead by Hapalan, followed by Music King, Speed Almighty, and finally Super Legera second, close, Speed Almighty, Music